Ciũria cia kana mitambo ya gutuma maumirira ma githurano niyathogirwo na kana ni yari ya gikiro gikinyaniru na ya waragania ni gatagati ka maundu kenda maria igoti ikaru gutwithanagia.
Good afternoon and welcome to the Supreme Court of Kenya.
Na thutha wa majaji mugwanja a igoti ikaru matongoretio ni mucirithania munene bururi-ini Kameme guthurima wuira uria watengemanirio ni mawakiri a Raila Odinga, riu acirithania aya ni magite wuira muiganu wa kuonania mitambo iria yahuthikire ni IEBC nirikinyaniirie ikiro.
We are not persuaded by the allegation that the technology deployed by IEBC failed the standard of Article 86A of the Constitution on integrity, verifiability, security, and transparency for the following reasons. 1. Whereas it is true that the KIEMS kit failed in 235 polling stations, 86,889 voters were granted the right to vote manually, and the requisite forms 32A were duly filed. While the audit report was released to the public 7 days before the 9th August election, the register of voters was used at the election without any apparent anomalies.
Kameme no atianiirie cira wa guthogwo kwa mitambo ya IEBC niguo gucenjia maumirira mendagirira President Muthure William Ruto.
There was no evidence of a man in the middle server configured to the IEBC's VPN network, and no evidence was produced to show that the chairperson of IEBC and staff were part of the arranged conspiracy to stage the transmission process.
Makiheana wira wao kiumia kihituku, mawakiri a Raila ni maugire ni kwari na andu mari nja wa kamiti ya IEBC mahotire kuigira mitambo-ini na kumithoga. Kameme agikinyiriria wira uria watengemanirio ndwari no ritu wa gukindira ndeto ino.
The RTS was configured on a virtual platform network VPN, and the SIM cards locked to a specific polling station. The server was also configured to accept results only from authorized and properly mapped KIEMS kits. In our view, the petitioners failed to produce credible evidence to the contrary.
Hamwe noguo igoti riri no rikirire nganja wira wa John Githongo uria wugite mihango ya guthoga mitambo ya tabanirio mwena wa Karen. Kameme akiuga kwihitana wira wa maheni ni kwagarara watho na ndeto ino yari o muhuhu.
None of the agents on whose behalf the forms were being presented saw any affidavit, that there is nothing to show that they had instructed both Celestine and Arnold to act for them. Yet the two have gone ahead to depone on matters that are not within their knowledge. This court cannot countenance this type of conduct on the part of counsel who are officers of the court.
Igoti ikaru niriageire kiene urito wa maundu kenda maria rigutwithanagia na gukindira uhotani wa President Muthure William Ruto ta muhotani wa githurano kinene kiriga gutafanio. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.